Hi, I am here from KodiLearn. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on the dark mode in your WordPress website. So before starting this video, I'm going to tell you that this only affects for you as a WordPress user. Means it will only be help you in a working purpose, and if you want to have for the whole website and whole users, then it will not help for you. If the user is using other device, then it will not work as for you. So let's get started. There are two methods while doing this. So the first one method is by installing one plugin, which I really do not recommend, but you can give it a try and it works nicely. You can try. And the last method is I recommend a lot. That method works perfectly, and that method is the best that I like. First method is just go to add new plugin, and you need to search one plugin called dark mode. So this plugin do not works that much nicely when you use the page of other plugins. I'll show you by doing this. Let me show you. So it is now installing. So now let me activate it. And now as you can see, it is activated. Now you will get one option in the users and profile. So it will affect your profile. So if you have multiple users who can access the dashboard, then it will not affect to them, and you will get one option called enable dark mode on in the dashboard, and you need to turn on that, and you need to click on update profile. As you can see, when I update now, it works nicely. As you can see, it is now in the dark mode, and in the website it do not happen, and it is only for you. And when I go to any other like post, it works nicely, and other like media, it works here also nicely. When I go to pages, here it works nicely, but the problem with it is it do not works properly with the other plugin options. Like here is one option called WooCommerce. So let me show you what it looks in the WooCommerce that I hate about it. So as you can see, this is not properly working, and you may also agree with that this is not a good choice. And here is another one plugin option called essential add-ons for Elementor. That was one plugin. As you can see, here is also not working perfectly, and this is all the white, nothing is working here. So I'm going to tell you this last method which will help you to make this also black, and I like that feature. So before starting that last method, let me deactivate this plugin so that I can show you the effect. The last method is only available for the Chromium based browser. Suppose if you are using Firefox or Safari, then it will not work for you. But if you are using the Chromium based browsers such as Microsoft Edge, Opera, Brave, and there are lots of other also which are based on Chromium, and it will obviously support in the Chrome also. And you need to go to the Chrome web store, and you need to search here one extension called Dark Reader, and you will get one extension called Dark Reader, and just click on add to Chrome, and just click on add extension. Now it will take some time while installing this extension. Now as you can see, this extension is installed. So let me close this, and for that you need to just click on this extension, and done, you got the dark mode. You can obviously turn on and off the dark mode from here. And the cool thing about this extension is it will work in every website. So when I turn on this, as you can see, it is also in the dark mode, and this is also in dark mode. And when I go to post, let me show you other option. As you can see here, it is working nicely. And let me show you in the WooCommerce page that was not working in the previous method. Means in the previous plugin it was not working and showing all the white, but here as you can see, it got the black, and here is also it is working perfectly, and this is very good. And when I go to the essential add-ons, let me see how it looks in this plugin option. As you can see, it is working nicely, and it was only the black in the previous method, but it is dark mode in this option. Not only in this website, it will affect your whole website. If you are using any website in which you want to have the dark mode but that do not have dark mode feature, like you can go to google.com and you got the dark mode, and you can search anything here and you'll get the dark mode feature everywhere in your website. There are lots of other websites also in which you will not find the dark mode, but with this extension you can get the dark mode easily in that website. And I have tried a lot this plugin or extension, and I found this really helpful and works perfectly in any other website. So hope you like this. If you like this video, then do not forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. And if you want to get more videos related to WordPress tips and tricks, then please subscribe, like and share this video. And thank you for this video. Stay tuned. Goodbye.